I want to introduce you to the best VPN in the whole wide world. It's the VPN I use, SurfShark VPN. Let's say it's one of the best. So it doesn't look like I'm making so much exaggeration on the VPN, but I've used this VPN for a long while, and I really love the VPN so much because it's been giving me exactly what I want for my business. Why do you need a VPN? Because you want to stay anonymous on the internet. You don't want uh, you want to bypass some websites. You want to get access to some movie streaming websites, football streaming websites. You want to get access to some books. You want to get access to some websites. You want to get to your competitor's website without your competitor actually knowing that you visited. So these are many more are the reasons why you need a VPN. And I strongly recommend Surfshark to you because I've used Surfshark for a lot of times. For a long while, you can see here my payment history. I've been using Surfshark. You can see Surfshark one subscribed 28th of February 2025. It was a success, $91 for an entire. This is for 1 year and 3 months, I think. If I click on the view, you're gonna see all of that. So you see here $77 with PayPal. That was February 2024. So it's always every 1 year. But for this particular one, it's 1 year and 3 months. And it's because of a secret which I'm going to reveal to you shortly. It's because of that secret that I was able to get 3 more months added. So you see here, refer friends to earn money. So one thing I like about social is if you refer your friend, you're gonna make money, and your friend too is gonna get an extension in their next subscription. So that is how I was able to get 1 year, 3 months because I referred a friend and we both shared 3 months extra in subscriptions. So you can see some of my payments here. Even back as 2022, I was still using Surfshark. So when I say I've used it for a long time and it's the best, then you just have to agree with me that yeah, it's the best. So right here you can see my Surfshark right here on my screen. So once you use the link, because I'm gonna attach this refer link in the description of this video. So I'll just tap on it. So you're gonna see my refer link right here. So this is the link. So I'll just copy that refer link and then put it right in the YouTube section, the description section. So use that link. You can see get up to 38 and 3 free months. Okay, share your link and give to your friend up to 3 free months. So this is exactly what I was telling you. So I wasn't capping, guys. Your friend subscribe and stays for 31 days and cash out to your PayPal and all that. So these 3 free months, guys, I'm gonna get 3 free months. You're also gonna get 3 free months. So thanks to Surfshark, for this great benefit. So you're gonna get this if you use the link in my description because I've been with Surfshark for a period of time, so I qualify for to give out such bonuses to anyone watching this video. So use the link and get free 3 months for yourself. So like I was trying to show, this is my extension. This is my Surfshark extension. You can see. So once you tap on it, you can select the country which you want to target. Like I want to connect to the United States. So you can see my initial call. My location is Nigeria. I'm in Lagos Island right now, taking a chill in Nigeria for travels. So you can see it connects within 2 minutes. Like this is 8 seconds. It's already connected. You can see I'm already connected to the United States. And you can see one thing I also like about the VPN is that you can see here top right is going to be showing the United States. So that way you now know that, oh, okay, really. Anytime there's a internet fluctuation or your network is not strong enough or anything, it's this VPN is gonna halt browsing. You won't be able to browse for that period of time until when the internet connectivity is back, then you will be able to continue browsing. So I really love this software, and I'm not capping. I'm not mincing words. Everything is I'm very sincere, and you can see it right here. So if I type on Hua.net, you will see that this location, which it showed me right here, Detroit, United States. It's gonna put me right in Detroit. My location is gonna read that I'm in the United States right now, and you're gonna see right there that for real I'm in the United States. I don't know why this capture is coming up. Okay, so you can see already from the background, United States, my IP is this should be an advertisement or something, or maybe an extra layer of security for the website, I think. Okay, why is my system dragging a bit? Okay, getting there. Okay, so you can see my IP is 185, this and that. United States, you can see the ISP, the DNS, everything is in the United States. You can see the proxy. Is this IP blacklisted? No. And all of this, no. Browser. So I'm browsing with a MacBook. You can see everything, 90%, and all of that. So this software is really, really good, and it's showing right here. So as you're visiting all the tabs on your website, as you go into all the pages you want to visit, you can, once you look at this top area and see US, you just know that you are securely locked into that location. So once again, I'm going to copy this link, put it in the description. Go click on register. Let's share the 3 months together. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll be happy to answer them and assist accordingly. In the absence of no other questions, bye for now. Subscribe to the channel and like the video, so it keeps me up to keep sharing more deals like this with you. So we continue to win together in life. Life is a win-win. So it's my happiness that you win, and I also want to win. See you in the next video, guys. Take care.